Back to another video. Today I've got something special. I ordered some stuff on Brick Republic. Just thought it would be a good website to try out. It's already pre-opened because I've had to re-record and stuff. Yeah, so let's begin. So we go in here. Let me like that. Let me scoot my camera back. We got this. Just this bunch of stuff. We'll look at that later. We got a value pack. We got a tripod with like a shield. We have a minigun, and that goes with the tripod, so we'll just put that there. And then we've got this transit case. We'll look at that later too. And then we've also got yet another value pack. And that's it. So just kind of... So start off with the value pack, the first one. So if we open it up, you can get that, and so let's look at it. So right here we've got like a bit focus, like an energy pistol. If it wants to focus, you can see it. And then we've got like kind of a rifle-y kind of gun. Got a musket, good for like, I guess they use these in like American Revolution, so if that's your thing. We've got like this kind of sci-fi, not really, it's not like a sci-fi gun, but it's kind of like glowy blue. Got this like kind of blue tinted, shiny, like whatever this is, I guess. Got this. This is like an M1A1. We have this M4. We also have an MG42, an M47, and an M9, and tan. We have this like, what do you call this? Like a magazine. Like it's like round. It's like kind of like a battery pistol and a M1 carbine. So it's the first value pack. We'll set these aside for now. And let's go on to value pack 2. Okay, value pack 10. I've raised the camera a little bit so you can see better. So we got that. So let's open it. That's all of them. So first we have yet another energy pistol. So this one is in like same color as that. You know, and then we got this, like kind of, it's not the same color, but it's still like a see-through blue. This is like just another one. And then we got this. Yikes, it's stuck in the tiles. We got this knife. We have like kind of another like musket or M1 or whatever. We have a sawed-off shotgun. An entire like a rocket launcher. And tan. We have a silver M8. It's like kind of a sniper kind of gun. We got this. This is like an M16. isn't bad either. A tan TDR. That. An ACA. This kind of looks almost futuristic. This is kind of cool. Got an M4. And finally, XMP. So yeah. Now we're gonna move on to this stuff. Alright, so we've got this, and this is just a bag of things. So if we open this up and we dump it all out, comes in a nice bag. Let's move some of the stuff out of the way. This is for other stuff. So in here, we've got, first of all, these are free weapons or other stuff. So in here, let's check it out. We've got like some, let me get it. Got some like these like tactical gloves. These are actually pretty cool. We got this. Ooh, a sledgehammer. Let's just set that up real quick. This is crazy because it's a clear sledgehammer. It's a little small, but it's a sledgehammer, all right. Or not like, more just like a mallet. Put that aside. And we also have this tan sniper rifle. Pretty cool. And here we've got a fuel can, and I got two. I have backpack and a vest. And if you look, you can put a lot of vests will have like a stud on the back. You can take a backpack, just kind of. That looks pretty good. We have gas mask, and it's got a clear part that we can quickly insert. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And here we have another kind of sniper rifle-y thing. And the sniper rifle has a bipod on it, so let me just set this up. Alright, I got it set up. So we got this bipod you can put on top of a roof or something. That, pretty cool. And here we have this really cool overmold. Try to stick on it. Let's open it from the back. More stuff in it. Oh, whoa, that went flying. Alright, so in here, you got this overmolded gun. It's pretty cool. And if I am not mistaken, we can take this out and replace it with this cool gold one that, for some reason, was given. You know, got that. Just give it to a test guy because I want to see what it looks like. If you put it on him, looks like this. If you like holding it upside down, no, like that. The next thing, we got this transit case. Just kind of, wait. Just give me a sec. Okay. Now so this one's pretty cool because this is like a giant transit case. So, you know, we can place this. This is double the size of like a normal transit case or like a crate that you would get. And this, it fits like that. Yes, if you look at it, it hinges at the back. Oh, let me just get that in place. Okay, it hinges in the back. And it closes up front. And you can open it. You can place stuff inside. This is good enough for like the average sized guns. Pretty good. Okay, for the next one, we've got we got like a minigun tripod. So we got a minigun here and the tripod here. So let me open these. So I couldn't finish it because I'm missing a piece, or I lost a piece. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed.